Koh Samui. There's finally been a break in the rain and we've got a bit of a plan for today.
So obviously the weather's been a bit funny, so we have a plan and we're going to try and stick to it as much as we can. There's 3 beaches that we want to hit. We want to do some snorkeling. First one is Tekian Beach, which is the furthest away, but it's about half an hour. Then we want to go to Coral Bay and then Chewang Beach. And we're going to get a coffee and some lunch as well. So that's the plan, but
Obviously weather dependent. So we're going to do the furthest first and then work our way back towards the villa. So let's go see what these beaches are all about.
So we are at Thong Tekian Beach. A little bit windy.
I really do not think we're going to be able to get in and do any snorkeling at all. Like, it looks mental. Like, these waves are crazy. I don't think it's happening today, but we've made it anyway.
As we were looking at the sea, it started pouring it down. So we ran into the cafe to buy a coffee. And we're just waiting it out, although the sun's literally just come out, so but it looks very choppy. So we've gone for a hot latte and they were 100 baht each.
Let's taste this bad boy. It's not bad, but I'm going to need a sugar. Basically, we paid for this via one of our subscribers donating to our Buy Us a Coffee website, which is in the description below. We don't know who you are, but thank you very much. Cheers.
This one's on you.
This one's on you. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it. And like I said, the link is in the description below. So if you want to do it, the option's there.
Thank you for buying us a coffee.
It's a bit mental out there, really. I just saw some man get floored over there. So I'm not waking up properly yet.
If anyone's seen me hobbling around on today's video, I get dodgy legs where I get trapped nerves in my legs, so I'm not risking it making it worse going in the sea when it's like that.
Waves are massive. I know it probably doesn't look like it, but they're like up here. Oh,
Is that fun?
Yeah, really fun. It does pull you out a lot though. The water where I was about this deep, but it felt like it was up here, so yeah, I know, fun. Have made it to Coral Bay. Look at this. Red flag. It's too choppy, it's too stormy. It's nuts. Let's get the background in a little bit. So we'll show you the beach. There's a little bar, there's toilets as well, which is good. It is quite dirty though. I don't know if you can see. They do have volleyball nets as well, and there's a little parking area. But yeah, I've seen better conditioned beach. Right, so I know it's a bit of a fail today, but I think we're going to go find lunch / breakfast, brunch maybe, and hopefully we can do that. And then we're going to hit one more beach after. Let's go.
We've decided to stop for some lunch. Just in time as it started raining. We've come to Goi Bar and Restaurant. It's Thai food. So we were ordering our drinks. They told me all they had was beer and water, so I guess I'll go for the beer. I did try and get juice, but they didn't have any, so I had to order that.
She says she had to have a beer, but ta-da! There were other options.
But she did tell me they've only got beer and water. It's rain, it's mental. I've gone for the chicken coconut curry, but it does have chilies in it. I don't know how hot it's going to be. That's nice. I'm just going to avoid the chilies. It's got a bit of a kick to it, but it's quite nice.
So I've gone for the pineapple rice and chicken dish. Looks like it's got some carrot in there, it's got some nuts as well, a little bit of onion. This is not the first time that I've had this dish. I'm starting to fall in love with it. This might be my favourite dish. I love it. Really good.
That was so good. And probably my favourite Thai dish that I've had so far. Both of our dishes were 150 baht each, so not too bad.
That was absolutely delicious. I love food. We really wanted to show you these 3 beaches, and we're feeling a little bit bad because the weather's just not enabling us to do it. But we've eaten, we're going to show you the 3rd one. Obviously it's very unlikely that we're going to be able to snorkel, but we're going to go anyway. The next one is Chewang Beach, and it's about an 11-minute drive from here, so we'll be there shortly. After that we're going to head back to the hotel. We're going to brave the weather, and yeah, we'll take you on a little journey. Hopefully we can show you something a bit better than what we've shown you already. I feel quite bad about it.
We got inside just in time. Literally got here, it started pouring it down. We're hiding again in a restaurant. Got a drink. Jason's getting some chips. Hide out till it stops. It's our life at the moment. Just got sunny for a little bit. I'm going to try and down this before it starts raining again, and we'll get back to the bike. We've tried hard today to try and show you what the beaches are like here. And they're nice, but we're so sorry. You can't get in the sea. It's too rainy, too choppy. We failed today, sorry.
Failed, but there is another option.
Had a splash in the pool. We've just been doing some editing. Now we've come out for some food. We've come to a Thai restaurant which looks quite cheap, so hopefully we can get a good meal. In the restaurant we went to for lunch, I tried to order watermelon juice, but they didn't have anything. I don't know if you recall me saying I got offered water or beer. So now finally I got one in this restaurant, watermelon shake, and it was 50 baht, I think. It's not bad, it's quite cheap. Lovely.
So I've gone for a chicken noodle soup. I don't think I've ever had it whilst I've been here, so I'm excited to try it. And it was 60 baht, I think. The one thing I'm a bit confused about is like I keep getting knives and forks, but I want to use chopsticks, but they don't do it here. It's really weird. Is there a reason why on the islands you get knife and fork?
Well, you don't get a knife, you get a spoon.
No, yeah, spoon and fork. Right, what am I gonna do here? Need some chopsticks. It's hard. It's not bad at all, really. It's nice.
Chicken?
I like it.
Tastes like chicken?
It does taste like chicken, yeah. Very good.
I've gone for the sweet and sour chicken, which was also 60 baht, I think. Not the best I've had, but not the worst I've had. That's quite nice.